Hello? Have you guys went to a Pisonet? Hindi ko na-try yan, to be honest. Pero, ano, nagko-computer shop ako, pero hindi siya Pisonet. Like, computer shop talaga. Like, yung maglo-load ka, may account ka, yung ganon. Pero, Pisonet is different, right? You can just, like, maghulog-hulog ka lang ng pera, ng coins. So, I haven't tried that. Yeah, I haven't tried that. I heard kasi natatakot ako sa nandun sa Pisonet. Cause I heard that yung mga headphones sa mga ganyan na computer shop, parang sinigang daw. Parang sinigang daw. So, I'm scared to even put on the headphones itself. Pati yung keyboard. Natatakot ako hindi ako takot sa ano guys. Sa ano kung lalaruin, kung ano yung lalaruin ko sa Pisonet or yung internet. Takot ako sa keyboard at saka yung yung headphones nila na sinigang daw. At saka yung mouse. OA ko kasi. Ma-OA ako. So, yeah, I got this. It's okay. I won't be scared. I won't be scared, Char. I'm already scared, but it's okay. Let's do this game. So, hi guys. I'm Yukari Heise. We're going to play Pisonet. Okay, let's play. Let's play. Okay. So, we're starting. Case number 0457. Porok Dos, Pisonet Incident. Subject, Jeff A. Santos. Friend of a person missing. Oh, so si Jeff, October 20, 2018. Saddle feeling. Ah, shit. Yes, I know, right? The quality. Wait. Use the mouse to look. Yes, we're looking. We're looking. Yeah, I need sensitivity, guys. I'm sensitive. Okay, this is better. Press C to zoom view. Ooh, we can see. Ah, na yung... Hey, what are you guys playing? Guys, is this what I think it is? I played this before, but I stopped. Oh. No watching. Bawal manood. Bawal manood ng adult content. Yes. Where's Jeff? It's getting late. Yeah, where's Jeff? Oh, this is me. Hello! Ay, bakit ang bata-bata ko pa tapos nagpa-part-time ako dito? It's okay though, cause I need the money. I need the grind. Ay, gagi. Ako pala yun. Sige. Pwede naman ako mag-sit down lang. If ako nandito, natutulog na ako. Char lang. PC1 is off. PC2 pala. Okay, PC2 yung on. Tsaka PC10. Tsaka PC6. Hala. Huh? Eh, ba't ganyan? Ay, I'm scared. Oh, ganyan. Guys. Oh, guys. What's happening? Hello? Oh my gago! No! That gets you really good, right? Yeah. Putang ina mo, Jeff! Gago, Jeff! I almost got a heart attack. Oh, yawa. Putang ina. O, sige. Ganyan ka pala ha. Ganyan din kita. Right click to continue. Ha ha ha. Very funny. Very funny kung suntukin ka sa bola mo. Anyway, you're dismissed, soldier. Just gonna arrange the chairs real quick, then I'll leave. Okay, good. Oh, here comes the employee of the month. Ako lang naman employee dito. Paano daw? Ag-arrange na tayo ng chairs. Wow, Tetris! Hala, galing. Ay, hindi siya magaling, guys. Kasi natatalo na siya. Paano to? Ah, just press it. Jeff, ha? Kanina ka pa. Okay, arrange lang tayo. Paano ba? Ba't ayaw? Okay. Yes, the music makes it... Walang PC dito sa... The music makes it a lot more scarier. Okay. Hello? Bakit nagpa-flicker yung lights? Why is the lights flickering? Okay. Tapos na ba? Baka ito pa kailangan. Ay, kala ko. Bye-bye, Jeff. Sino yan? Ay, gago. Ikaw pala. Bye-bye, Jeff. See you. Bye, uy. Bala ka na dyan. Ikaw na ano sa aswang. They're active. Hello. Ito pala yung developer, guys. He started a part-time job at our local PisaNet shop to earn some income. Lately, he felt something strange, like someone's always watching him. They say some people are mediums, sensitive to things beyond. He don't want that. Yeah, he don't want that. I don't want that either. I don't want to be at a medium for something we don't see. The air changes. Something watches. Ako yung watcher dito. And he can feel it. Ah! Shit. Ah. Hello, Blue. Oo, sabay. Sabay tayo. Multi-stream pero isa lang yung makikita kong chat at the moment. Wala akong monitor isa. Wala pa. Ay! Yung napaka-judgy na times. I like this song. Hindi naman tayo makaka-copyright, diba? Ah! Ayoko. Ayoko i-stop yung music. Need ko ba i-stop? Wag mo muna. Ja Jaja times. Wag na lang. Ay, kailangan pala talaga. Akala ko hindi. Time to arrange the chairs. Bakit walang tao? Wala tayong income, guys. Yo. Nandito ako. Sa camera. Okay. Saan yung camera pala? Ay, nandun. Hello! Hello! Ah. Sige, sige. Ay, sige. Feel ko may jump scare dito anytime. Ito, baka lalawas yan. Feel ko, guys, may jump scare. Wait lang, I'm scared. Fuck. Shit. Okay. Arrange mo na. Okay. Ay, kala ko meron. Dalian natin. I'm scared. What the heck? Wait. What? Okay. Dito siya nag-GTA. Ay, PC-10 pala yun. Sige, tara na. Okay na ba? Hala! Grabe yung piso na dito, guys. May aircon. Sana all. Sige. Gago! Gago! Oh, shit! Holy shit! I'm scared, mama! No! Okay. May something ba? Parang wala naman. Oh! Ay! Sige. Ma! Pwede mag-out na lang muna. Okay lang naman siguro isa. Sige, sige. Why is this slot always empty? I think I can add another unit here. Ah, i-add. Hindi siya nag-wonder. Hindi siya nag-wonder. Bakit? Bakit in-arrange ko na to? Hi, Fizz! No, I'm scared. Wait lang. Wala pa. Wala pa yata. Ay. Saan yung ano? Ano yung kunin natin daw? Unit? Ah, ganito, right? At saka isang monitor. Monitor? Parang kailangan ko yan. Ganito, tsaka ganito, tsaka... Saan ba magkuha? Dito ba? Ito na lang. Hello, saan ako magkuha? Hello? Hala, bakit dun sa... Wala ako dito, pero dito meron. Dito. Pasit Canton! Ay. Hala! I like it. Ay, dito magluluto. Sino gusto ng pancit canton? Bigyan ko na lang yung ghost. Ay, ito. Ay, poke. Ito pala. Ito pala, guys. Itong barya yung pinaka-importante. Uy, baliktad. Eh, timing? Ay, poke. Ay! Ay, ganyan lang. Ayoko na mag-deal. Oh, shit. Sige. 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 Ikembot. Okay. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm so scared. Mommy! Help! Ang tagal ko magtrabaho. Sorry, boss. Sorry, boss Jeff. Ay! Ay, perfect. Uy, may monitor. Oh, shit! Oh! Oh, mama! Mama! May bata! Guys! Hello? Do you speak Filipino? Ah. Oy, Pinoy! Ay, Philippines! Philippines! Okay, we're gonna run. Ah! Okay. Sige. Who are you? Fuck. Fuck. Mama, shit. Shit. Oh my god. Sino ka ba? Putang ina mo. Sino ka ba? Oh my god, just let me go. Gusto mo ng kanton? Lutuan kita. Hello? Ah! Jump scare. Oh shit. Kagi, akala ko may jump scare dun. Oh my god. He can't forget what happened that night. And since then, he always felt back pain. Hala! Nag-piggyback ride na yan sa likod mo. He took his leave and rested for a few days. He said he couldn't afford to lose a job, he forced himself to go back to work. Bakit ba? Ha? Pwede sa iba ka na lang magtrabaho. Bawal mag-send ng rose dito sa ano, iba, yung sa purple app, ano, bits. Too hard to talk, he became distant. Sino? Wait, hindi ako sa storya. Shit. Sorry. Sino ba? Ako yung distant. October 29, 2018, The Presence. Shit, ready na ako. Sige. Woo. Alam ko na anong mangyayari. Hoy, bata, kita-kita. Kung gusto mo ng kanton, sabihan mo lang ako. Lulutuan kita. Paano ba yung cellphone. How's the shop doing? Where are you? I need you. I need to go now. Yeah. Natatay na ako. Jeff, please. Almost there. Wait for me. You better be here by 9:55. Oh, inaurasan na kita. Okay, 9:55. Hey, I only have 2 legs, you know. Wait! I want to tell you something. Ah? Hindi ako pwede mag-voice act, guys. Huh? Weird. Is PC5 on? PC5. Saan ba yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hala, naka-turn on siya, guys. Hoy, walang bayad yung ghost dito. Shit. Walang bayad. Nandito siya kanina. Oh, shit. Walang bayad tapos nagta-turn on. Oh! Ano nga ang laro to? Forgot. Hindi siya turn on, bes. Pinaka-on siya dito. What the heck? It's not on. Huh? Yawa. Uy, kayo yun, ha? Ha? Mga bata talaga. I have to go home now, but I need to arrange the chairs. At least. Okay, arrange muna natin. Dalian mo. Dalian mo. Baka mawala to sila. Wag mo na kayo mag-out ha. Wag mo na mag-out. Ako na lilibre. 100. 100 pesos ililibre ko sa inyo. Don't. Sige. Ito. Okay, pwede na ako mag-out. Sige, I need to go home. Shit. Shit! Hindi ako Akala ko magkaka-go home na ako. Mama! Hoy, bata. Wala kang bayad, ha? Char. Libre ko na lang. Wag mo lang ako. Ano daw? Sige. Bata. Hey, kid. Are you okay? Char. Where are your parents? Ay, umiiyak siya. Ba't siya umiiyak? Oy! Hoy! Bibig niyo, ha? Hoy, bibig niyo, ha? Kayo, ha? Puta! Hoy, kaya bala kayo dyan, mga bibig niyo. Dapat no foul words. No foul words. Nagpuputang ina. Hello? Hello? Shit. He knows what he saw. A child bruised and in tears. But he still doesn't understand what the boys wants from him. He has no choice. He's the only one that can see him. Ba't ka ba nakakakita ng mga aswang, ha? Ng mga espiritu. Maybe this is the reason he was given this ability, he thought, and finally he chose to use it. Ay, wag! Wag. He overcome his fear. Ako hindi. Ah! Ano mangyayari, ha? He only wanted to help him. Ano pa magagawa mo? Patay na nga. Okay. November 1, 2018. The mistake. Okay. Be brave. Okay, be brave now, guys. I can do this. I can. I can po. I'm here. Show yourself. Show yourself. I'm dying to meet you. I want to help you. If that's what you want. Wala today. You want me to arrange the chairs? Gusto niya neat and clean bago siya magpapakita. Shit, wait lang. Magpapakita na siya, guys. Be brave. I'm not brave. I'm not brave. Sige, arrange na natin. Sige, sige, sige. Tanginis ng laro na to. Shit. I already done this yesterday. If you don't want me, I'll leave now. I need my phone before I go. Ha, wala pa nga ako naka-arrange. I-arrange ko muna. Shit. Papakita ka na kasi. Papakita ka na. Sige, sige na. Hindi na po ako tampo. Hindi na po ako nagtatampo. Papakita ka na po. I need my cellphone. Hindi ako makaka... Ano, if wala akong cellphone. Ay, char. Hello? Mama! Good job. I'm so proud of you. Oh, bakit? Fucker? Ayoko na, ayoko. Mama. Lord, patawad. Patawad sa kasalanan ko, Lord. Lord, hindi na po mauulit. Ba't pa ako nandito? Wait lang, na-shock ako, guys. Na-heart attack ako saglit. Shit, ano, sige. Mabudin! Sorry na, ba't siya galit? Galit yung ano, ghost. Galit yung ghost, guys. Ba't pa siya galit? Why? Ano yan? Promise, wala ka dito, Lord. Fuck. Mama. Uy, shit. Uy. Kinuha ako. Ay! Parang wala naman yata. I-off natin yung flashlight. Shit. Okay. Sige. Wait, pasahin natin to lahat. Child found dead in local Pisonet shop in Purok. Gago. Ano yun? Huwag kang tatawa, please. Nagbabasa yung tao dito. Shop owner under investigation. Purok 2, Manila. A young boy whose identity is still unknown was found dead late Tuesday evening inside a local Pisonet shop in Barangay 722. Sa Barangay 722, Purok 2. The child, believed to be between 7 and 9 years old, was discovered alone and severely bruised, with broken bones and signs of prior abuse. Bystanders heard faint cries coming from the shop before the boy was found lifeless under one of the computer desks. Under one of the computer desks. The shop owner claims to have no knowledge. May CCTV naman sila. Ba't walang nakita? The shop owner claims to have no knowledge of the child's presence or the cause of his injuries. Authorities are now investigating the situation as a possible case of abuse and foul play. The severity of injuries suggests that this was not an accident, said PO3 Alvarez of the Manila Police District. At this stage, we are treating the shop owner as a person of interest. The child's cause of death is yet to be determined, and forensic teams are conducting an autopsy. Despite attempts to identify the boy, authorities have been unable to locate any relatives or guardians. Wala siyang mama tsaka papa. The Piso Net shop has been shut down temporarily for further investigation. Several locals have come forward with reports of strange occurrences at the location, from power surges to unexplained sound in the dead of night. It always felt like something was wrong here, said one neighbor, who asked to remain anonymous. People said it was just the machines, but now, with this, I don't know. Anyone with information regarding the child or the shop's activities is encouraged to come forward. Okay, tapos, Lord, sana wala siya sa baba. Lord, please. Please naman. Ay, okay, wala. Gago. Okay. I found all blood all over the wall. I tried asking around, but no one had seen him. Not a single trace. It was like he never existed. Customer complained about a strange rotten smell. We searched everywhere, but couldn't find the source. It just wouldn't go away. So we decided to close the shop and move. Jeff. Uh, ito yung piso nut, guys. It was just a very, very short horror game. Story by Aldrin Evangelista. Okay, it was yung pinaka-jump scare talaga. I can't. Yung pag-turn on ng flashlight. Damn. It was, yawa. Ay, sorry.